हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सीमाज स्टॉप में आपका स्वागत है। आज नीति हम लोगों को फैंसी राखी बनाना सिखाएंगी और वो भी घर में जो उपलब्ध सामान है उससे। और अगर आप रचनात्मक स्वभाव की हैं तो आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगा। बहुत ही सुंदर और प्यारी राखियाँ हैं, आप खुद ही देखिए कितनी प्यारी राखी हैं। तो चलिए नीति के पास चलते हैं।
Hello friends, I'm Neeti Mittal. Today I'm going to teach you a Rakhi. You know, Rakhi festival is very near and nowadays because of COVID, lockdown situation is there and it is very difficult for us to go out and buy the Rakhi. So I will teach you a Rakhi with easily available material which is there in your home and you can create a fancy Rakhi out of that. You have never thought you can create Rakhi with your old magazine paper. So today I am going to teach a Rakhi with old magazine paper. So material required, your old magazine, any old magazine you can take, and your scissor, your satin ribbon. If you don't have a satin ribbon, you can take moli also, and your this compass. If you don't have a compass, you can take any bowl or anything to make a circle, scale, and some kundans, whatever you are available at home. So what we will do, first we will make 3 circles. I will tell you the radius. For making circles I have taken the help of the compass, but you can take the help of bowl or whatever available. So first circle which I have taken is the radius of 4 centimeter. This is the radius of 4 centimeter. Radius means from center point to the end of the circle, that distance is called radius and full half is called diameter. So it is a 4 centimeter. Then another smaller circle, that 3 centimeter I have taken, and one more smaller I have taken 2 centimeter of radius. It is 2 centimeter. So 3 different size of circles I have taken. You can take different sizes also. You can make more small, more big, whatever the choice. Now what we will do, we'll take this circle and we'll make it half. Just we will make it half, divide into half, and then again I will divide into 1/4 and again we will divide into 1/4, 1/8. So 3 times we are folding the paper. Once again I will quickly show that first this is the circle. I have given 1 fold, half, then again half, then again half. Now the shape is like a cone, okay, ice cream cone type. Here we will make a big W with the help of marker pen or in pencil, whatever is available. We'll make a big W, deep W. See, I'll just show you after doing. We will make big W, and this big W we will make all the 3 circles, and each size circle will take 3 circles. Okay, to give a volume to your Rakhi, I will make 3 circles. Okay, each one 3, total 9 we are making. Okay, you can make less also, no problem, it's up to you. So this big W I am going to cut with the help of the scissor, and you just see I am just cutting it, big W with the help of the scissor. It is not necessary you will do with the old magazine paper. If you have any color paper, you can do with that. Now we will open. We will get many petals in this. I have not counted the petals, but you got many petals. See, many petals you will get. Okay, this all the petals we will fold towards upside. One by one we will fold towards upside. All the petals. Just we will give a little shape. Quickly we will fold all the petals upside. All the petals. Same thing we will repeat with all the 9 papers. So already I kept and done for you. So will not waste the time. So I will take all the three petals with the help of the Fevicol. Now I will start, put little drop in the center. We will start pasting that. We will paste it. All the 3 big, then 3 medium size. Then we will come 3 small size. This is our medium size. Here I am pasting. Even if you want in the center, you can put your photo also, your brother photo also you can put. You can create even chocolate also you can keep. You can convert it as a chocolate Rakhi or photo Rakhi also. So this is the middle size I have done. Now I will paste 3 small size. Already I cut and keep ready. So our Rakhi will be quick. So even in the center you can paste your brother photo or some chocolate instead of kundan. You can make chocolate Rakhi, you can make photo Rakhi. And now this is the volume we got of the Rakhi. Here in the center, any kind of kundan, whatever available at home, we can paste. Okay, after pasting the kundan, we have to paste the lace backside. So for lacing, I am taking a satin ribbon. Just take enough length of the satin ribbon. So it will be, just you measure with your hand. It should be enough length. And now for pasting it backside, what we have to do directly, we can't paste like this. We have to take a square piece of paper. So it won't go then. Just give a strength to the lace. We will paste one square piece of paper also. So see how quickly I made the Rakhi out of the magazine paper. See, these all Rakhis I have done with the magazine paper. See how beautiful they are looking. This Rakhi I have done with the color paper. This is with crepe paper. This is with shining paper. So it is up to you how you will make. I hope if you will make Rakhi with the magazine paper, nobody can recognize how you have done it. Hope you have see how beautiful they are looking, different colors, how elegant these Rakhis are looking. I hope you have liked my idea. You will try it. Thank you for watching me.
वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, फॉलो करिए।